Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Alright, today I want to talk about polynomials, and I'll be talking, it will be a series, and I'll be talking about the addition of polynomial, subtraction of polynomial, multiplication and the division of polynomial with factors theorem and remainders theorem. So do ensure you watch this video to the end so you can get every important steps I'll be talking about. So for today, we'll be looking at addition of polynomials. We'll be looking at addition of polynomials. Alright. So let's say I have p of x. Let's say I have p of x, the polynomial of x as 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 6. And I have f of x, another polynomial, as let's say 7x to the power 3 plus 5, let's say 4x squared minus 6 plus 6x minus 10. Now let's say here I want to find f of x plus p of x, and let's say number 2, I want to find f of x minus p of x. So I'm talking about addition and subtraction all together. Alright, so now what are you going to do? It's very simple. Your p of x, your f of x rather, f of x plus p of x is going to be, what is your f of x? You write your f of x back, which is what? 7x cubed plus 4x squared plus 6x minus 10 plus, what's your p of x? Your p of x is what? 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 6. So after that, the next thing you need to do is to add them. You look at the power. The one that have the same power, you add them together. So this is power 3, this is power 3. 7 plus 2, 9. X is power 3. Alright, x squared, 4 plus 5, 9, x squared, x plus 6 minus 3 will give you what? Plus 3x minus 10 plus 6 will give you what? Minus 4. Alright, so that is the answer. Now normally your plus will affect everything, but plus times plus is still plus, plus times minus is still minus. So that is why it's not really affecting it. But if it is minus, it is surely affect it. Alright, so that is that on the addition. So now let's go to the second question, which is what? F of x minus p of x. So let's just change this to minus. Let's do this to minus here. So this is not minus. So put all these ones in bracket because the minus is going to affect it. Alright. So here I have 7x cubed plus 4x squared plus 6x minus 10. Now minus times plus, minus 2x cubed, minus times plus, minus 5x squared, minus times minus, plus 3x, minus times plus, minus 6. Alright, so now let's add. So 7x cubed minus 2 will give us what? 5x cubed. 4x squared minus 5x squared will give us minus x squared. 6x plus 3x will give us what? Plus 9x. Minus 10 minus 6 will give us what? Minus 16. So that is how you do your addition and subtraction. Alright, let's see one more example before we wrap up for today. Let's say we have q of x. Let's say we have q of x to be 7x squared plus 5x minus 2. And then we have r of x to be 6x minus 4. Now if I say find q of x plus r of x and q of x minus r of x, how will you do that? The first one, q of x plus r of x will give you 7x squared. Don't forget I'm talking about addition and subtraction of polynomial. plus 5x minus 2 plus what is the r of x? The r of x was 6x minus 4. So don't forget that it is the ones that have the same power that you have to add. So is there anyone with power 2 here? No. So this one stand 7x squared. 5x plus 6x will give you what? Plus 11x. Minus 2 minus 4 will give you minus 6. Alright. So after that, the next one, q of x minus r of x, that will give you 7x squared minus 5x minus 2 minus 6x minus 4. So that will be 7x squared minus 5x minus 2. Minus times minus. Minus times plus rather. Minus 6x minus times minus plus 4. So that will be 7x squared because it's not adding to anything. Minus 5 minus 6 will give you what? Minus 11x. Minus 2 plus 4 will give you what? Plus 2. So that will be the final answer. So this is everything you need to know on addition and subtraction of polynomial. Alright, so after this, in my next video, I'll be talking about the multiplication of polynomial and also the division, remainder theorem, and factors theorem. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you very much.